Welcome, people managers. You're no doubt looking for a survey to assess levels of engagement, well-being or stress within your organisation, or possibly you're wanting to see if the culture you have tried to develop has become embedded. That is where Protostar Surveys comes in, with over 10 years' experience of supporting organisations ranging from small enterprises through to global organisations requiring multi-language surveys. So why should you use Protostar for your survey? Well, I suppose it really boils down to 4 factors. We make it easy for you, saving you valuable time. We provide you with analysed data that gets to the root cause of your issues. We provide a great return on investment, and research shows that staff are more likely to trust the anonymity of an externally run survey. So how does it work? Firstly, we discuss with you your organisation's structure, known issues, languages spoken, and the primary aim of your survey. We then design a branded survey to meet your needs, and you assess it and provide feedback. Once the survey is agreed, we assist you with your internal communications, as they are key for a high response rate. We test it with your IT people, so nasty firewalls don't spoil our day, and then the survey goes live online. It can be completed on a PC, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. We keep you updated on how many people have completed it, although we cannot tell you who has not done so, as responses really are anonymous. Your employees rate a range of statements from strongly disagree to strongly agree, and can add comments at the end of each section. To ensure anonymity, we summarise those comments for you rather than provide them as written. Once the data is in, we run a series of focus groups to better understand the main themes. This helps us to avoid telling you that 75% of your staff are unhappy with something, but we don't know why. A survey without focus groups adds little value to your organisation. The results are compiled into a detailed report, which is briefed to your company leader before we swoop in and present the main findings to your leadership team, and if you wish, to your whole workforce. There you go. Simple, efficient, cost-effective, and most importantly, you get open and honest feedback that people trust is anonymous. So if you want to assess levels of engagement, or identify stress levels, or maybe see if you have the building blocks of an innovation culture, contact Protostar Surveys. To see sample surveys and testimonials, go to the Protostar website. I look forward to hearing from you and getting started on your survey project.